Hello guys, Switch here again, lesson number 10. You can see this fully because it's covered by me, camera, and some adverts, but that's not the point. The point is you just need to go to the website and then you can go to AI COURSIV course and ChatGPT, and then you can just find the lesson number 10 within this tab here, and you will have the summary of the lesson, which is not really a lot. That's what it is. That's basically the summary of the lesson. And then you have all screenshots from the lesson and you can carry on with learning. I'm just recording that course for people who don't have any idea about basics of AI, which I haven't got any basics of AI myself since like just started 2 months ago, but since that changed a lot. And I just hoping some people will get some value from it. Other than that, AI, other courses might be at some point on the channel. I'm not saying like not, but like I'm right now fully into playing games on the web free. So this channel is going to be different, definitely about the crypto gaming on the Tone ecosystem, which is basically Telegram apps. News about those games, weekly or either monthly summaries, and yeah, about AI. We'll see, but I definitely, I think I see myself as the full-time streamer, YouTuber playing those games / apps. So I don't think so. I will have lots of time to do the courses like I'm doing right now. Like I can actually really talk an hour or half an hour or whatever, 2 hours, and record that stuff. And that's why I'm trying to actually put all what I bought to, like I said, people for the future. So you will have some goodies, some good content. Although with that being said, I will carry on actually with 2 playlists about the AI from the same course after this, so I need to somehow find actually the time, despite the fact I want to be a full-time player gamer, because there's lots of stuff from this course, not just the AI courses. There's much more to it. There's lots of stuff which they will teach us. We can learn from them about like how to monetize stuff from home, how to basically make money from what? Make money from I don't really know what I'm supposed to say right now. Usually I'm saying from your passion, but that's not what I meant. Obviously we just want to monetize our passion, but they will just teach us the tools. That's the word. That's what I'm looking for. Like there will be like lots of tools to monetize. Anyway, so if you want to jumpstart your business, there is a big banner on my website. You can click that. That will transfer you to the design and build an online business that you love. Basically, you can create the account for free, and you can start to basically create your website for free as well. But at the end of the day, if you want to have the AI tools within that website, which they will just instantly hook you up with, like, let's say 100 affiliates, and I'm not just saying anything bizarre, you will just instantly have links to those websites to apply for affiliate products. Within the niche you're going to choose. And the funny thing is, like, you have unlimited possibilities to change your niche like every minute if you wish to. Like, let's say, just for argument's sake, you're gonna start your website with like a niche of crypto gaming, and then you don't like it, so you just can cancel this and just basically choose like I don't know, healthy lifestyle niche, and then we'll hook you up with the products of that niche. So fucking super amazing stuff, super handy. But yeah, you just need to basically go create website, and then you will know what I'm talking about. And the Oscar goes, you know, where to you for not giving a fuck about what other people think. That's like the best life mantra ever. Like, just don't give a fuck what people think about you. Really handy tip. Okay, so before I started, 5 minutes, good timing, good intro. Usually it's like an hour introduction to the video in my case. So I'm not giving much fucks about to read the questions and read the answers. I've done that before. Waste of fucking time. You wanna learn, so just stop the video. You can read that. You can go to the website. It's already fucking everything screenshotted. So you just supposed to focus on the voice. Same like Superman. Focus on my voice.
Complex prompts for data processing. In this lesson, we're going to delve deeper into creating complex prompts for data processing. You'll learn how to generate detailed prompts by analyzing a company's revenue and other financial metrics. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to craft intricate prompts that guide ChatGPT through multi-step data analysis tasks. Welcome to the team. Hi, I'm Sarah, the lead data analyst at Tech Innovate Corp. Welcome aboard. Today, you've got your first task as a data analyst. Analyze the revenue and financial metrics of Tech Innovate Corp. Start, you need to understand the company's financial data. Here's a snapshot. Revenue, $5,000 spending, $200,000 customer acquisition cost. CAC, $500 per customer retention rate, 80% monthly earnings. Growth, 5%. New customers per month. 1,000 churn rate, 5% average revenue per user. ARPU, $100 operating margin, 40%. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Fuck me, I'm doing this like fucking third time. Like, I'm not reading even that, I'm just pressing like random answers. Data 5 and prompts, okay, data 5 and prompts, but obviously you are feel free to
now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Understand.
You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Understand what I'm doing, because I know what I'm doing, but you might not know what I'm doing. So
now it's time to put your knowledge.
It's good to pause the video or go to the website. What here? Generate calculation data. Okay, generate calculation data. Okay.
Great. The necessary calculations for analyzing complex financial data. By applying these principles of prompt engineering, direct ChatGPT to perform comprehensive data analysis by providing detailed and specific prompts. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now. Message from Sarah. Excellent job. With these analyses in hand, you can move on to more advanced data processing tasks. For this, you need well-structured prompts to guide ChatGPT through multi-step tasks. Now it's time to put your knowledge in.
Like, if you wonder, I just press whatever. I'm not reading that. Like I said, I've already done it. The thing is, like, you can pause the video, you will see the correct answer. And also, with that being said, there's not really like always like clearly answer. So what I'm trying to say, so you can understand how to use that in like real life experience. Like, you're just asking the questions, and even the best prompt way question is not going to give you the always the answer you are looking for. So you will always need to modify that question. Sometimes you will even need to modify that question for a couple of times more. That's why you shouldn't be really much focused about those questions, how they're phrased or whatever, comprehensive. And yeah, just obviously, like I said, I'm doing this like third time or fucking fourth time. So I don't really want to.
Now it's time to put into
read
practice.
This, but
you can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
But obviously, if you are not familiar with
ChatGPT's response to the prompt from the quiz. Tech Innovate Corp's revenue growth is driven by a consistent increase in new customers and a high retention rate. The net profit margin of 36% indicates effective cost management. The monthly earnings growth of 5% suggests a robust and scalable business model. However, Churn rate of 5% needs to be monitored closely to maintain long-term profitability. ARPU of $100 combined with a high retention rate highlights strong customer value. Operating margin of 40% reflects efficient operations and cost control. As you can see from this example, effective prompt engineering can enhance your data processing tasks and make your job easier. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Fucking hell. Okay, so then check what we have one more time. Write prompt and data. Okay, write prompt, data. Okay. So that's actually showing you like when you're doing mistakes, and that's why I'm doing mistakes in the purpose.
Thank you for your hard work. That's it for today. Thank you so much for helping Tech Innovate Corp. Your analytical skills are impressive, and you've made a significant impact on our financial analysis. Your dedication and thoroughness have not gone unnoticed. Well done. Whether you're generating prompts for advanced financial analysis, creating detailed reports, or visualizing complex data, clear and specific prompts can significantly improve the quality of your work. Apply this knowledge by experimenting and refining your prompts to unlock the full potential of AI in your advanced data analysis tasks.
Yeah, so like I said, I don't really give a fuck because you will actually listen and you will learn from this. But at the end of the day, if you really wanna focus on those questions, answers, you can just stop the video or either go to the website. Okay, so with that being said, thank you very much guys for watching and see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye for now. See you soon on the gaming stream if somebody is interested in it. Where is the stop? Where is the stop?